Alright, so for today we're gonna be working on the Integra, finally. It's currently 6:47 a.m. in the morning. We're gonna go out to Ventura, meet up with someone at Cars and Coffee, and then we're gonna go head out to his place. Then we're gonna start working on my car, but for now we're just gonna cruise over there all the way to Ventura. I'm actually gonna be putting my axles today and my, you can see on my motor mounts. That's what we're gonna be doing today. So right here in right-hand drive Steve's house is his car. I'm gonna work on my car today, change the axles and motor mounts. Have the motor mounts right here. And the axles, we have them in here. I don't know if I'm gonna be filming that much, but I'll try. So this is the old one we just took out. This is the one that was leaking, as you can see everywhere. Just touching it. Let me see, where's the little rip at? You can see right there all the leakage. I don't know if you can see the little rip at. Oh, never mind. That was a little one. There's a new one right here. The insane shafts. We just did the first side right here, so we're gonna put it in and then we'll do the other side. Alright, so the new axle's in for the driver's side. You can see it right here. Let's see, you can see from the bottom. There's the new nut right there. Now we're gonna do the passenger side real quick. You can see right there a little bit better. It's the new one. So now we're gonna go to the other side and do that side now. So we finished putting on the passenger side axle. Let's see if you can see it right there. I have the old one right here in the bag. Now we're doing the motor mounts. We just took out the transmission one. This is it right here. Now we're putting on the new one. Let's see right there. And then we still gotta do the other ones right here. So we'll keep you updated. So we pretty much finished up now. Both of the axles are in. The motor mounts are in. There's one, two right there, and then the rear one we might not do. We might do it another time, but for now we're pretty much done. Alright, so just with the two front mounts, the transmission mount and the side mount, you could tell a way better difference how it feels. I actually like how it vibrates everything. You can see everything moving. You can hear everything rattling now, all the stuff that's loose. Yep. So I'm going home right now, and just these motor mounts really made a difference. It feels way nicer. The vibration it gives, it feels nice driving like this with the vibration of the motor mounts. It's not that bad, but it's really nice. I like it. Like you can feel the vibration in the pedals and everything. So it's cool. I'm glad I got those motor mounts. And the axles are done too now, so my car's going up, but it's getting better little by little again. But this is where I'm end the video. Thanks to Right-Hand Drive Steve. Go follow him on Instagram, right-hand drive _Steve, or RHD, RHD_Steve. Helped me out today with my axles and the motor mounts. I did the front too, just not the back motor mount. Still feels good though. So I'm gonna end the video. So until next time, later.